Hi, I'm Lisa, and I'm a full-time RVer. I've been an RVer since 2006, and I would like to show other people what I believe is not shown on most videos about being an RVer. So for my first one, I'm going to show you what it's like to pack up for the first day and get ready to travel. So it's going to be messy because it's reality. This is where I live. I live here all year round, and let's get started. So this is my bathroom, and let me just go ahead and prop you up so you can see what's going on while I work. So I start in the bathroom, and this is my shower here. Put everything on the floor so it doesn't fall off and land on the floor. And then back here, my door slides forwards and backwards. It's glass. So we tie it up with a hairband, something like this one, so it won't move. You have to make sure you do that, otherwise you'll be going down the road and then you're going to hear some crashing as it slams against this and possibly breaks, and you don't want that. The next thing I like to do is make sure all my cabinets are closed. That includes the small ones down here at the bottom. Everything's closed. You don't want anything coming open as you're driving. And then I pile things into my sink. So let me go ahead and do that while you're just watching. Everything on the countertop goes in the sink. Anything else, I bring it out and I put it on my bed, which I'll show you in just a moment. This is the sliding door. Gotta make sure that's closed. Turn off the light, check again. I like to take my towel off the wall so it doesn't fall. Put it on the towel hook. And that's it for the bathroom. My bathroom is now ready to go. We will be putting some items into the bathroom to make sure that they stay there and they stay secure while we're moving. And I'll tell you how I put this together. So what I like to do is remove my blanket, and I use my blanket in the living room, which I'll show you in a minute. So that's me removing the blanket, put it in the living room, and then I use my sheet and I move my pillows over here, and I bunch up my sheet here. If you can see, it's bunched up. Then I take the items like I just took, like this is a nice bowl. I put them on the sheet, near the sheet, so that it doesn't break. The reason I'm talking about that is because, in my experience, when you are going down the road, sometimes the road is really, really bumpy. And this is a nice RV, but still we can feel all the bumps. And sometimes it shakes really bad, a lot of shaking. So you have to make sure that you have everything put away, so hopefully things don't break. And again, I'm making sure cabinets are closed. All the cabinets are closed in here. And pull this up, move this out of the way. Turn off this light. And turn off the air conditioning.